Okay, today I'm taking a look at the Maircle Cyclone Tech 2.0 vacuum cleaner. So we got our instructions, we've got our extension, and that gives us a little over 2 feet extension, so that's not bad. I also appreciate that that's adjustable. We got our nozzle for cleaning out tight areas. We got our power supply, and it says that's good for 100 and 240 volts, so it's good for international or domestic. And then that puts 500 milliamps at 30 volts. We have our wall mount, and it actually has a slot right here on both sides. So we can screw this to the wall, and then we can take this cable and we can slip it right into that slot. So we don't have to worry about picking up that cable off the floor. It'll always be right there by the vacuum. And they get some screws and anchors so we can mount that to the wall. Here's our vacuum head, and one thing I like to see about this is it actually has a full-on brush. There's a lot of these little stick vacuums where they try to save money by not including this. It just has the vacuum compartment, so the act of pulling air is the only thing that really pulls anything off the ground. This actually has something that mechanically pulls stuff off of the ground and then sucks it up into the vacuum. So very glad that they did that. And we can also see that this tilts and rotates. And here is the heart of the vacuum. So we got a battery here on the bottom. Looks like it's got ventilation to help keep it cool. We have an indicator right there, and it says that is 65 watt hours. We have our vacuum chamber here on the bottom, so very easy to clean out. So we got multiple filter elements in there. That's good. So it looks like we could actually just wash that guy out. Very handy. Then the bulk of the material will just be sitting inside that chamber. Back we got power. And it looks like it comes with 2 bars of charge. Cool. And we have 2 speeds on there. So where this thing becomes cool is we could just take it and attach a nozzle directly to it. We'll have a nice high power vacuum for cleaning out our car. If we need more reach, we can attach the long nozzle, and we can attach this guy onto that. Then we'll have a nice long suction tool. Or we can remove this. Got a couple of power contacts right there, so that will provide power to this head to start brushing as well. So very cool. There's a lot of technology on this guy. That's cool. I like the little green light on there as well so you can see what you're doing. Yeah. And that is actually cleaning up much better than most of the little vacuums that I've used on here. I like that I can fit that into tight areas as well. Very easy to move around, very light. Like I can pick this up with one hand. I could probably pick it up with one finger. So if you got to carry this thing up the stairs or anything like that, that is not going to be a problem. So we got a couple of spots right there and there, but those are actually chips in the floor. It's nothing this is going to be able to pick up. But overall, that is a pretty sweet vacuum. I'm happy with that.